Welcome to Challenging GCSE Maths Questions with Mr. Wesley. Every day, we take on one mind-boggling GCSE maths question designed to stretch your brain and push your skills to the next level. Mr. Wesley will break it down step by step so you can confidently ace those tricky final questions on your exam. Grab your notebook, your pen, and your calculator. Let's get solving. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any challenging questions you would like Mr. Wesley to solve in the upcoming videos, please email him the question. His email address is in the description. All right, let's do this. Here's Mr. Wesley.
Okay, so what do we have here? This is a kite, and this is a square with side A, and this is an octagon with side A. This is an equilateral triangle with side A also. Okay, now the first part of the question is find an expression for the height, which is this capital H, in terms of A. So basically we are going to say capital H is going to be this plus the height of this plus the height of this. Okay, so because this is a square with side A, this is obvious that this is A. So that's the easy part. Then we have this, which is also A. So that's also easy. What is not so straightforward is this bit here, which is also equal to this bit here. So let's make a copy of this triangle here. So that is 90 degrees. This angle here is 135 degrees. Okay, so that's a way to work out the interior angle of a regular octagon. If you don't know how to do that, leave a comment below, I'll help you out. So if this is 135, this is 45. So 45, 45. Question is, what's this height? That's what we are after. Now this is A, because that's one of the sides of the octagon. Because this is 45 and this is 45, it's an isosceles triangle, so I'm going to call this B, and therefore this is also B, this isosceles triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, b squared plus b squared is a squared. 2b squared is a squared. Taking square root of 2 times b is a. Therefore b, which is what we are after, is a over root 2. Okay, so b is a over root 2. So we just worked out that this is a over root 2, and therefore this is also a over root 2. We will bring all these terms together at the end, but in the meantime, what is yet to be worked out is this height here. So that is an equilateral triangle with side A. The question is, what's the height? Okay, sorry, it's badly drawn. This is better. So it's this height that we are after, because that's going to be equal to this height. So I'm going to call this C. This angle is 60 degrees because it's an equilateral triangle. So if I take sine 60 degrees in that right angle triangle, that is C over A. Now sine 60 degrees, you should remember, is root 3 over 2. That is C over A. Multiplying both sides by A, you got root 3A over 2 is our C. So what do we have here? Root 3A over 2. So let me tidy this up a little bit. So this is A over root 2, A over root 2, root 3A over 2. So if we add all this up, we should get H. So A plus, so we have A here, oops, we have A here, A over root 2, A over root 2, root 3A over 2. We worked all this out. So if we add all these together, we should give H. So H is equal to, I'm going from the square upwards, so A over root 2 plus another A over root 2, root 3A over 2. Now, so we have A and A, so that's 2A. A over root 2 plus A over root 2, so 2 of those, and then we have root 3A over 2. Now 2 over root 2 is root 2. It's 2 over root 2. 2 is root 2 times root 2. So divide that by root 2. We get root 2. So 2A plus root 2A plus root 3 over 2A. So if we take A out, A times 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 over 2. This is H. Okay. Now, take a look at part 2. So, Lithuanian claims that points B, A, and M, B, A, and M lie on a straight line. The question is it correct? So, this angle BAH is 135 degrees because that's the interior angle of a regular octagon. Now, if we were to join A and M, this is a square, this is 90 degrees, this is equal to this. So this is 45 degrees. So if you add these two angles up, this is 135 plus 45 is actually 180 degrees. So BAM is in fact a straight line and Lithuanian is correct.
Great job today, everyone. Remember, the key is to take your time and practice the questions regularly. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really motivates Mr. Wesley to create more videos. If you have any questions, feel free to email Mr. Wesley at WesleyMathsTutor@gmail.com. See you in the next one.